شكرا جزيلا وخير الجزاء لمعالي مدير الجامعة على كلمته. Thank you, the Honorable Rector, for the speech. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to call upon Al-Akh Abdul Muhammad Osman, Manager, Office of the Director of Academic Affairs, to make a short briefing about Al-Madinah International University. فليتفضل مشكورا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me first start with the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the merciful. Praise be to Allah alone, and may Allah's peace and blessing be upon you all. After that, let me introduce the university. Al-Madinah International University was established by a group of renowned Muslim scholars who wanted to provide contemporary Muslim scholars who wanted to provide contemporary Muslims with modern yet suitable educational tools that would prepare them for the harsh realities of living in the Muslim world today. A world that is desperately plagued by war, prejudice, poverty, injustice, and illiteracy. By facilitating e-learning, MEDIU can be easily accessed by students from all corners of the world at any time or place, of either of their own choosing. MEDIU Vision, a leading international university that promotes a wide range of knowledge in its various aspects to serve humanity and to promote its advancement. MEDIU Mission, disseminating knowledge using the best means and learning methods, knowledge development and intellectual exchange consistent with the international level of excellence, to create conducive educational and research environment for knowledge seekers all over the world that serves society and preserves ethical values. The history of Al-Madinah International University. Al-Madinah International University was named after Al-Madinah Al-Munawwara, the holy and blessed city where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, established the capital of the first Islamic state. MEDIU obtained approval as a university from the Ministry of Higher Education in Malaysia on December 26, 2006, and subsequently was registered on June 20, 2007 as a private educational institution in Malaysia. All its programs are under accreditation by the Malaysian Qualification Agency known as MQA. Al-Madinah International University proudly got the MSc Malaysia, which is a prestigious status guaranteed by the government of Malaysia to educational institutions and technology companies. Al-Madinah International University is also a member of the European Foundation for Quality in E-Learning. Advantages of the university. MEDIU is unique in its marshalling and coordination of academic and scholarly resources with administrative skills and technical proficiency from all over the history world. It starts with a primary administrative and technical center in Malaysia, employing a selective staff of administrators and qualified technicians. The academic content is provided. It's in its Cairo service offices, which employs a distinguished team of scholars from the most renowned Egyptian universities. Oversight and guidance are provided by MEDIU service offices in Al-Madinah Al-Munawwara, learning centers around the world. MEDIU has regional service offices spread across the world to provide educational services to students. who are currently concentrated in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Morocco, and UK. The steps are currently taken to expand its presence in Europe and America in near future. The academic faculties of the university. Al-Madinah International University offers a number of disciplines such as computer and information technology, science, humanities, linguistics, financial, administrative, and Islamic sciences in both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. The medium of instruction in all of these specializations is either English or Arabic, depending on the relevant faculty. The MEDIU teaches in two modes of study and teaching. MEDIU conducts its courses in two different educational modes. Number one, open distance learning, known as online. In this mode, the student can study while he or she is staying anywhere in the world without having to travel to Malaysia. It's studied by the internet-driven modern communication tools and technologies. The lecture services are provided through the university centers located in a number of countries. Number two, conventional face-to-face or known as on-campus. In this mode, the university, the student must attend in the campus physically for the academic sessions in the university's facilities in Malaysia. With the rapid growth of the university, MEDIU hosts now more than 3,000 students from over 90 countries around the world. It is both online and on campus, studying in over 52 academic courses approved by the Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia. MEDIU's new campus. The university is currently establishing its new campus, setting up a campus equipped with the latest integrated architectural styles in Cyberjaya, the technology city of Malaysia, which will be completed in 2015, inshallah. Let me now leave you with the visuals of the new campus. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.